VetMed time! With the emphasis on vaccination, what method can we employ to prevent neonatal porcine diarrhea? Hello there, fella! Today, let's figure out how to prevent neonatal diarrhea in pigs. As we all know, neonatal diarrhea is one of the significant causes of death in newborn piglets and is even considered one of the most important multifactorial illnesses in swine production. Piglets are well recognized for having a compromised or non-existent immune system at birth, and they are completely reliant on their mother unless they are provided with enough nutrients and colostrum shortly after birth. As a result, proper vaccination of breeding sows is an essential component in the overall strategy for reducing diarrhea in newborn piglets.